To marinate my chicken, I have just one chicken breast. I'm gonna add some fresh minced garlic. That was about 2 cloves. I have a half cup of my favorite, actually it's more like a 1/3 cup of my favorite Italian dressing. I'm gonna add some seasoning. This is Trader Joe's seasoning blends, just a little dash. And then the Trader Joe's onion salt blend. And now I'm just gonna, I'll give it a mix. Now in my little container, I'm just gonna add all of this in there. And I'm gonna marinate the chicken. I'm gonna be making this tomorrow. You can marinate for like 30 minutes if you're pressed for time at least, but I had one chicken breast left over from dinner, so I'm gonna marinate it for lunch tomorrow. I have a preheated pan. I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to add my marinated chicken breast. I'm going to cook over a medium-high heat and brown each side for about 2 minutes. To flip it, cover with the lid, let it cook with the lid on for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes with the lid on, I'm going to shut off the heat and let it set for 10 to 12 minutes. Do not lift the lid, leave as is for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so it sat covered in the pan with the heat off for about 12 minutes, and then I let it rest for another 10. Now I'm ready to cut into it. It's cooked through, tender and juicy. Okay, so I have my chicken breast sliced. I have some fresh red onion, butter, lettuce leaves, some tomatoes sliced, and mini cucumbers that I sliced. I'm going to make wraps with this. And for my wrap, I'm going to try these cheese wraps to keep it low carb today. And you could use any wrap that you like, by the way. And I'm probably going to dress it, I am going to dress it with this balsamic vinaigrette. You could use the dressing of your choice. You could use some more of that Italian dressing if you're using Italian dressing to marinate it. So I'm going to take my little cheese wrap. I'm going to add some lettuce, my sliced cucumber, onion, my tomato, and then some of my chicken breast, just like that. You know what, I'll add another slice in there. And then just dress it and wrap it. And this chicken breast is just really great for wraps. You can make your own wraps, you can store buy them, use these cheese wraps if you can find them. I'm gonna add just a little bit of my balsamic to the, there we go. And here we have a low carb wrap with my tender, juicy chicken breast that I cooked on the stovetop. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.